Legal troubles continue to brew for former US President Donald Trump. A new grand jury has been selected in US state of Georgia on Tuesday. It is expected to decide whether Trump and his associates will face criminal charges.
Right. Election interference charges over 2020 election interference in the state. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis, a Democrat, launched the investigation regarding this in early 2021. So an early focal point of the investigation is a phone call between Trump and Georgia's chief elections officer as well as Georgia's Secretary of State in January 2021. During this call, Trump reportedly suggested local officials could find more than 11,000 votes. That is enough to give him a victory in the state. Trump has denied the allegations and called the probe a political witch hunt.
A grand jury has already been considering this case, however, found no widespread election fraud even after interviewing dozens of witnesses over months. Attorney Willis is expected to present her case before one of two new grand juries being seated on Tuesday. She has previously suggested that any indictments would likely come only in August.
Meanwhile, Trump has now asked for his trial regarding his handling of the classified documents to be postponed until after the 2024 presidential election. In a court filing, Trump's aide wrote, as he is running for presidency, its preparation requires significant planning and time, making the current schedule untenable. Trump pleaded not guilty in federal court in June this year to charge that he had unlawfully kept classified national security documents when he left office in 2021. Trump is also facing charges in a separate criminal investigation over hush money payments in New York, again, which he denies.
All right, for more on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani joins us and tells us about the latest on this case and all the possible charges against the former president.
The new grand jury began its term in earnest on Tuesday in Fulton County. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis, who has been investigating former President Donald Trump for allegedly attempting to overturn the 2020 elections in Georgia, announced remote work days for staff in the month of August, possibly for security concerns, since the month of August is expected to be the time when any charges or some sort of indictment may come against the former president. The likely charges are solicitation of election fraud, making false statements to state and local officials, conspiracy, racketeering, a violation of an oath of office, and involvement in election-related threats. Of course, former President Donald Trump and his associates have denied any wrongdoing not only in Georgia, but elsewhere as well.
Now, Susan also gives us more details on the Mar-a-Lago classified documents case, for which Trump is seeking a delay till after the 2024 elections. Listen in.
The paper submitted by the former president's lawyers is in response to the U.S. Justice Department's motion to hold the trial in December. It's clear that the former president, who's also a Republican frontrunner right now for the 2024 presidential elections, aims to delay the proceedings in case he does win the 2024 elections and can pardon himself.